So I love selling real estate, and I see real estate turnover as far as being able to go on the market and get closed as a very successful transaction. But it's now February 2024, and we're no longer suffering from a lack of inventory. We have inventory on the market. And we've even seen some price decreases for that inventory. And yet, unlike last year, and certainly like 2022 as well, we are not seeing rapid contracts and closing. In fact, it used to be less than 30 days we get into contract and close. Now we're seeing average days on market at 55 days plus, whether it be a condominium or a single family house or multifamily. Why is this happening? Well, first of all, our prices have gone up. And oh, by the way, our interest rates have gone up. So one way to help the buyer afford the property, and we use the term date the rate and buy the home. Ask your sellers to do a mortgage buy down of points for the loan for the buyer. So what is a mortgage rate buy down? So let's use today's example. The interest rate is a little bit above 7%. If we provided a 2-1 buy down, the first year would be 5%, the second year it would be 6%, and the third year it would go back to that 7% rate. Now, mortgage rates, just like real estate, have a cycle. So it is likely that by the time you got to that buy down period and back to 7%, the rates will have fallen so that you can refinance your property at a lower rate. And we know that's happening, right? We know, and we can easily predict with the kind of inflation that we've had and the kind of pressure that's being placed on the feds to bring the housing market back to life, that there will be rates. How low they're going to go, I don't know, but they may go certainly as low in the sixes and maybe into the high fives. But today you want to buy a house. How can you take advantage of that rate today? Use a mortgage buydown. So that's one of the major reasons that properties are not selling today, is because sellers don't know about this product and they don't know that they can benefit themselves and benefit the buyer and get the property sold. Another reason, and I'll briefly touch on this as well, that properties aren't selling is that there isn't proper video and photography representation of the property. Let me tell you, digital curb appeal is more important than ever. It's not simply driving by the house these days, but you may have a buyer coming from Paris, or you may have a buyer coming from Buenos Aires, and their first exposure is seeing it digitally on the internet, whether it's photography or video or both. Take the time, do it right, do it slowly, and make it excellent. Show the seller how you can sell their house so you can get more listings and be the professional realtor that you already are. If you need help with this or you need assistance, give me a call. My name is Gary Lanham. I'm a realtor in the state of Florida, and I can be reached at 954-695-6518. Thank you.